Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel TT's Footprints. Today's recipe is a quick mushroom and corn korma or a jatpat mushroom corn korma with leftover mushrooms and corns. If you're new to my channel and this is your first visit, hello and welcome. I do post new videos every week. Do join me to learn such simple and interesting recipes. I had some leftover mushrooms and corn which I couldn't use individually, so decided to make this korma. We'll begin by blending the onion and chilies into a smooth paste. Next we'll grind the freshly grated coconut with some water. Now that both the blends are ready, we will roughly chop the mushrooms. Once the blending and chopping is over, the cooking process hardly takes 5 minutes. Heat a pan with some oil and when hot, splatter some curry leaves. Now add in the blended onion and chili paste. Cook for a minute or till the water evaporates and then add in the mushrooms. Saute the mushrooms till well combined and then add in the boiled corn. Add some water and let it cook for a minute or two. If required, cover it with the lid. Now add in salt to taste, the blended coconut mixture and a little turmeric powder. Mix well and cover and cook for a minute more. Check the water content. If you feel it is more, just reduce it a bit because we don't want it too liquidy. Add in the curds and switch off the flame. Mix well and you are ready to serve. Enjoy this quick and easy mushroom and corn korma with your rotis. If you enjoy watching my videos and find them helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for updates on my new videos. Also, don't forget to share them with your family and friends. Thank you for watching and meet you soon in my next one.